We're drawn to the light, in love with the past.
Forever we rise. We were scrolling through the noise, lost in dreams and pain. Then he showed us the system, how to rise again. He said, you're not your thoughts, you're the will to bestow. Now we're climbing the ladder, soul by soul. The books, he gave us the flame. Zohar, Talmud, and Sulam explained. Malachut cries and Bina hears. Now we bind in faith beyond the fear. Passes through the Rav into the hearts of the ones who choose the light. And en od milvado, there is none else but him. And so, Tzimtzum pli of Sefirot Saya Bina Passed through him, we return to the light. Thank you, Rav. L'chaim b'nei Baruch. 131 out.